Good day, everyone. Let's think about huge mountain or a nice green field. What do you notice? Looks like they last forever, strong and full of life. But here's the catch. We will gonna tell you that everything, even the hardest rock, is actually being broken down very, very slowly. I am Casey Macy Castillo, and we will gonna talk about the weathering and soil formation. Weathering is the fundamental process that breaks down rocks and minerals to create the raw mineral materials for soil, which then forms through the accumulation of the organic matter and further chemical and physical changes. Weathering is the in situ or in place disintegration and decomposition of rocks near the Earth's surface. There are three main types, which are the physical weathering, which is also known as mechanical weathering, the chemical weathering, and also the biological weathering. After weathering happens, it provides raw materials for the soil formation, or what we call the pedogenesis. Soil formation involves the integration of weathered mineral material with organic matter over long periods. The rate and type of soil are influenced by the 5K factors, often remembered by the acronym CLERP. We have the climate, organisms, relief, parent material, and time. We also have the soil horizons. Over time, soil forms distinct layers called the horizons due to the downward movement of water, clay, and dissolved ions. O horizons are the top layer of organic matter. The A horizons are the topsoil, a mixture of partially decayed organic matter and mineral material. The E horizons, the leached, elevated layer. In summary, over vast periods of time, these processes create distinct layers or horizons in the soil profile, from the surface organic or O horizon down to the bedrock. Weathering creates the ingredients and CLERP dictates the final product. Together, these processes helps shapes the fertile skin of our planet. That's all. Thank you.